Welcome to Cardinal Home Center. Who do we have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Tyler Marshall.
Tyler. All right. Tell us a little bit about what you do. Are you a contractor, homeowner? What
I'm a
brings you?
subcontractor. We do a little bit of everything, anywhere from excavating to remodeling homes, a little bit of painting, stonework, pretty much a little bit of everything.
Okay, that's great. What brings you into Cardinal Home Center today?
Getting some DRYLOK. We're repointing a chimney and then painting it, and so that's what we're doing today.
Okay. Do you find that the employees know their stuff? Are they smart?
Oh yeah, definitely with the Benjamin Moore guys.
Yeah. What is it that you look for when you get Benjamin Moore versus another brand? What is it that attracts you to Benjamin Moore?
Oh, it's just a much better quality painting overall level.
And when you're dealing with your clients, they expect what from you and the products that you use?
They expect reliability, and they expect, we get the job done as we told her we're going to do it.
And when you come into Benjamin Moore, do you feel that they do that for you?
Oh, absolutely. Yep, they take care of us in here.
Perfect. Well, I appreciate you taking a few seconds to tell us about you and your experience here at Cardinal, and I hope you have an awesome day and good luck on the project.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.